Hello everyone, thanks so much for coming by today. I really do appreciate it. Today we're going to be doing the lower cheek exercise in Exercise Along With Me Series 5. Okay, so this exercise is a very strong exercise, and I have sort of over the time started to work at for people who have TMJ.
Imagine having beautiful and radiant skin that is naturally healthy. A powerhouse of skin-loving ingredients, rich in Australian native botanicals, that renews your skin and protects it from harsh elements. Renew Me is gentle yet effective, made for all skin types including sensitive skin. Enhance your natural beauty and skin wellness. A luxurious skincare range that indulges the senses. Order today and rediscover you.
So if you have TMJ, look, I want to tell you, I am not a doctor, I'm not a specialist, but I do know that if you can't do the jaw exercises, you can't do face aerobics. So what I have done is that I've just modified it a little bit for people who have problems with their jaw, or if when you're doing it your jaw clicks, because sometimes my jaw clicks a bit when I do the jaw exercises. So I modified it, and then I thought, well, I might as well tell everybody else. So basically when you do any of the jaw exercises, if your jaw starts clicking, or if you've got TMJ and you're a little bit worried about it all, go ahead and just start using the muscles instead of using the jaw action. So what I mean by this is, with this exercise, you bite into it, right? And clearly you are activating the jaw, okay? But if you don't want to activate the actual jaw, all you do is move the muscles. Okay? It's really easy. So just flex the muscles instead of actually the jaw. Now, either way, the exercise is actually quite strong. Either way, I found that they're quite strong. But the other thing that I have found with the jaw exercises, even after 12 years of doing face aerobics almost every day in that 12 years, well, not almost every day because I have to do the rest days, but you know what I mean, you get the picture. My jaw here in these areas, it still pains. It still pains when I do it. So everybody, is not the same, but certainly for me, some people tell me, certainly from the gym, it's still sore. Am I doing something wrong? No, you're not doing anything wrong. It's just the way your face is. So let's try this again. So we put our hands across our jaw, right along our jawline. Now that's going across the masseter, okay? And all those little muscles underneath the masseter. Right, so we hold it very much like we hold the top one. You know how we hold this one like this? We hold this the same way, but it's for the jaw, okay? And then we drop our jaw down and we do a biting action. Okay? Again, if you do not want to drop your jaw and you don't want to activate your jaw, just squeeze, hold it, isolate the muscles and just squeeze the muscles. And that way, you still might be able to do the exercises. I was always worried because I don't want to get into any discussions about TMJ because I'm not a doctor. I'm not a GP, I'm not a specialist, and I do not want to get into any discussions. I probably won't answer any questions that you might have, but basically all you have to do is squeeze the muscles instead, and you won't have to activate the jaw. Now again, if you've got any problems with doing that, go and ask your doctor. He'll probably say don't do the exercises, but you can still go ask him and see what he says. But that is, I have found, the best way to be doing these exercises if you've got any jaw problems. So I hope that helps today. Please do remember to subscribe to the channel, because when you do, you get all the free updates. And really, you can probably do face aerobics for free from everything that I have given on the channel. Because I have given ideas of how to do it. I give updates all the time about each of the exercises, so you should be able to do it yourself. But if you wanted to join the gym, the link is going across the video at the moment, just to let you know that the prices are going up very soon. They're not going up very much, but if you join the gym now, when the price does go up, it will only go up half price, because all members of the gym the price will only go half price for them. people who join who are not members will have to pay full price, and well, that's the way it is, but it's not going up that much anyway. I haven't put it up for 8 years, so I think it's time for it to go up a little bit at least anyway. Thank you so much for watching the video. If you've got any questions, go ahead and put it into the link. But as I say, just squeeze the muscles if you've got jaw problems. And if you haven't got jaw problems, go ahead and activate the jaw, because it will give a little bit of a strength exercise to it. But either way, it's still, you know, strong either way you do it. All right, you guys have a lovely day wherever you are in the world, and I'll see you next time. Bye.